Io mi aspetto sicuramente una serie molto fisica, perché sia noi che il Vienna siamo più o meno simili come tipo di gioco e penso che sarà un'ottima serie. Ovviamente rispetto alla serie contro il Linz spero che non sia così dura come l'ultima, però siamo pronti a tutto.
Ich glaube, dass wir wirklich zwei Mannschaften sind, die genau dasselbe Spiel spielen. Und ich glaube, wir müssen wirklich aufpassen auf die ersten zwei Linienspielen. Die sind die ganze Saison schon wirklich stark gewesen. Und wir müssen einfach versuchen, unser Spiel zu spielen für 60 Minuten. Und einfach, ich glaube, in der Serie gegen Wien werden sicherlich die Strafen ausschlaggebend sein. Also im PK und Powerplay muss man wirklich stark sein. Und ich meine, wir müssen einfach die blinden Strafen vermeiden und 100% geben.
Winning in Game 7, overtime, we felt the passion in the rink. It for sure give us a little push. Now we're getting ready for Vienna, and we're going to try to win that first game. We're going to go one game at a time, and we're going to be ready tomorrow. I think Vienna is a really good team. They play a lot like us. They have really good players, so it's going to be a tough series again for us. On my part, I'm just going to be ready. I just want to win every game, and that's what we're going to try. We're going to try to win game one, like I said. Tomorrow we're going to be ready, and we're going to go from there after that.